Welcome to Akashx. I wanted to do a really quick video to do a review of my Akashx back office and to show you what I am so excited about. So this is Akashx. This is my back office. You can see I have a $10,000 funded account connected to Akashx. Whenever you sign up for Akashx, you get a $10,000 trading account. You do have to pass some challenges, which means show that you know how to trade, which means the phase one is you grow your account by 10%, which would be $11,000 or $1,000, and then you grow it by 5%, which would be $500. And then after that, you get a funded account, which is what I have. And then anything that you earn on your funded account, you do an 80-20 split. That means any of the profits that I earn, like right now I have $299.73. If I wanted to cash this out, I would get 80% and Akashx would get 20%. So you can see I've taken 49 trades on this account. I've won 32, so that 32, 40, that's about 65% win rate. I've lost 17. You will lose trades. There is no one that will win 100% of the trades. So this is my personal account, about a 65% win rate, 35% lost rate, total P&L 177.70 based on these calculations. For trading, we have what we call tap to trade, and these are all of the tap to trades. This is gold right now. It's at an all-time high. You can see that it's still going up right now. That's on the 1 hour time frame. Let's look at it on the minute here. You can see right there 4438.65 per ounce that gold is selling for right now. And literally, a tap to trade, the educators send this to us and they will have sell it or buy it, and literally you have 2 minutes to click approve. And that is what I've done to have that money in my account. Just literally click this approve button and they do everything on this account for me. We also have what we call pulse signals. This is fun. This is where you copy and paste. So they send me the signals, and I have other accounts that are funded that I actually trade these signals in that are different. And literally you copy right here and you paste into your trading account. And so this is Joel. He's amazing. He trades gold. Actually, all of these are going to be Joel because I'm under Joel's name. This is Arabella, and you can see, like, here's Arabella. She sent this trade last night, and you can see it hit all TPs, all take profits. And these are all the ones that Arabella has sent. And then here's another one. It hit take profit 4. So she's got, this one hit all 5, this hits 4. And if you just hit take profit 1, you're in profit, right? But this one hit TP1, TP2, TP3, TP4, and on and on and on. And so they update them after each one as well. And so these are all of Arabella's trades that she sent. Here's Mateo, some that he has sent. He usually just does take profit 1. It tells you if they're active, if they're expired. Pretty cool. Another thing, live sessions. So today is Monday. You can see that we have live sessions. We're a global community. So these are set on Eastern Standard Time, but at 2 o'clock in the morning. I'm sleeping, but Sebastian is going live in with English. Preston at 9:15 a.m., 11 a.m., 1 p.m., 5 p.m., 9 p.m. Arabella goes live Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Mateo is at 9 p.m. at night. Abid is at 5 in the afternoon. And then, of course, this is a holiday week, so it'll be different based on their schedules. And then actually what you're paying for is training, right? Akashx is a training academy with all of those amazing educators here that I just showed you, whether you're a beginner like I was 9 months ago, or advanced, or even an expert. So each of the educators have their own series. Each educator has their own trading style, whether it be beginner, advanced, or expert. If you're a master trader, there's courses on that. If you're a crypto trader, there's crypto trading courses here as well, in different languages as well. We also have scanners. These are pretty cool. Literally, these, every time you see this red arrow means sell, green arrow means buy. So when you're first learning like I am, like I'm still doing, I didn't know what buy, sell. I mean, it even says, hey, buy right here, strong, 4 points, 3 points. The lower the points, the less the signal, the less the strength, right? And so it's different scanners. We've got the sniper scanner here. You can change the instrument. Like, let's look at gold, like XAU USD. That's the one I like to trade, is gold. And then you can slide this, and you can look, like, oh, there goes gold. This is live, real time right now. It's at 4440.69, almost about an all-time high again. There's an all-time high right there. So we're about to watch history happen, right? If we stay in this. This is in the 5 minute. Let's go down and look at the 15 minutes. And then you can also change the time frame to the 1 hour and measure it there as well. So almost an all-time high again for gold. So these scanners are very helpful. Each one has their own training that comes with these smart tools. I love the analytics, right? This is my personal analytics. Like, look at my profit and loss. I started down here, and then I went and now I'm up here, right? I've taken 49 trades, so that means that I hit approve 49 times over the past month. I've won 32. I've lost 17. Average loss $10. My lowest loss was $1. My highest loss was $21.78. Here's a distribution of my wins versus my losses. These are the educators that I took the trades from. Sebastian, I won the most money with Sebastian. Ivan and Ugo, FX Edge, and Abid. These are the currency pairs: Euro USD, GBP USD, and XAU USD, which is gold. So that's one smart tool, really good. I love looking at data. You can't monitor what you don't measure. This is a new feature, the journal, right? I love to journal. This is a digital journal, and the other night I wrote black eye, not from the market. My first journal entry, I had eye surgery today. This was last Friday. I'm going to do the Pips Ahoy Challenge. It starts on January the 4th of 2026, where we're going to talk about the 4 P's of trading: plan, process, protection, and psychology. Also, I love, there is an AI assistant, and you can ask AI to summarize your journal if you want it to. You can ask it for trading tips for today and a weekly performance recap based on all of the traders. So all in all, Akashx is absolutely amazing. I love everything about it. I love the tap to trade. I love trading gold. Oh, there we go. We're at an all-time high again. 4442.90 is the all-time high. You're watching it live with me, or you're probably watching the replay. But this is so cool to see gold rallying like it is. Super excited about Akashx. This is why I'm so excited. This is why I'm sharing all the screenshots of the money that I am making, but more importantly, the lessons that I am learning, and how this is a skill that I am going to continue to learn and perfect in 2026. If you're interested in learning more about Akashx, drop me a message in my DMs and I'll share with you exactly how I'm doing it. Have an amazing day.